Welcome back to my YouTube channel Shastri Nodikali Kelitili. This is myself Saudhamini Shri Shastri, yet within a video on 5 essentials for biology practical examination. Okay, so before getting into the video in deep, those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe, guys. If you don't subscribe, you will not be getting a notification on any updates regarding your board examination. Okay, so without delay, let's get started. The first essential item for your biology practical examination is you have to take your practical examination hall ticket. So you have to take the sign from the external in your hall ticket. Don't forget that. This is one important aspect. Then the second important essential is your certified record book. Completely certified record book. This is the second important thing. Without that, you will not be allowed to enter the lab to perform the examination. Okay. Then the third important essential for your examination is you have to wear your apron. Lab apron or the lab coat you have to wear. So that is for your safety, guys. Then the fourth one is the stationery items. Stationery items like it will be pen, pencil, ruler, eraser and sharpener. So you are aware of that, right? You will be under CCTV surveillance for your lab examination. So whatever you will be performing, you will be monitored by the CCTV footage. Okay. So you cannot communicate with the neighbor who are sitting next to you in the lab examination. You cannot talk or you cannot ask help from your pals. Okay. So it's better if you take all your stationery items by you. Then the last important item for your biology lab examination is the dissection box. So some of the center they won't be providing you the needles and all, so you have to take care of your belongings like the dissection box containing the needles, forceps, razor blade for the tears of the ovary, then the brush, microscopic slide and the cover slip. So if you take all the things in your dissection box, you will be having a hassle free, no need to share from your desk or you don't have any tension. So you can perform the experiment however you want to go according to your time management. So these are the 5 essential for your biology practical examination you have to carry without fail. One more tip, remember the bonus tip, that is don't take writing pads. Don't take writing pads or don't take your pouches. Pencil pouches are not allowed and there are no smart watches. Okay. So please avoid this. If at the exam if you will be told to don't get this, don't get that, you may also get panic and you may have got some upset with the examination. So better don't take these things which are prohibited for your lab examination. I hope this final tip will be helpful for you guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel, share this content with your friends so that it will be helpful for them as well. Those who are giving for board examination, lab examination, they don't have any fear. Be thorough with the system, understand the pattern, understand your potential and perform well in your examination. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Please be stated for the next video which will be on the Viva Voce questions. Thank you.